Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with HubSpot. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website if you're not already by going right here to the top of the screen at wordpress.com, and from here we are going to go and be greeted by this home page from where at the plugin section at the left side of the screen we can access all the plugins that we have used for installing our store. So from here we can take a look at the WooCommerce plugins, and now we can go ahead and go to the official WooCommerce website right here at woocommerce.com. That's going to open up this new page from where at the top of the screen we can access the extension marketplace. You're going to go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace. It's going to enable you to take a look at all the extensions you can use right here, and what we're going to do is use the search bar right here. You're going to search for HubSpot. As you can see, once you search for HubSpot, you can take a look at this extension right here that is offered, the HubSpot for WooCommerce. This is going to enable you to stop worrying about syncing data manually and start focusing on driving sales. So as you can see here, it is a paid extension, so if you want to pay for it, you can go and select what plan you want to use right here. Once you've done that, you can click buy now. So after you have bought it and installed it, it's going to enable you to follow it step by step on installing the extension and adding it to your store. If you need any more help, here you have the documentation and the support option if you need any more tutorial help, and just like that you're going to go and be able to integrate it into your store once you've purchased it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.